Welcome to our YouTube video on composite materials. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what a composite material is in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? A composite material is made by combining two or more different materials, each with unique properties, to create a new material that is stronger, lighter, or more durable than its individual components. Think of a composite material like reinforced concrete cement provides shape, while steel bars add strength, together creating a much stronger structure. So, why are composite materials so beneficial? Because they deliver high strength-to-weight ratios, resist corrosion, enable innovative designs, and are widely used in aerospace, automotive, construction, and sporting goods. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.